What a crazy roller coaster week it has been for the markets, with the Dow moving triple digits up or down every single day this week. Check out some of the week's big winners. Nordstrom up 12%, Verizon, Chipotle both up about 5%, Eli Lilly up 3%. So we thought it would be a perfect time to play Trade It or Fade It. Now you know how it works, but we'll remind you here. I'll give you the name and you'll tell us if you're buying it, aka trading it, or fading it, or selling it. All right, got it? All right, kicking it off with Eli Lilly. BK.
So this one, and actually it's not even this week has been a big mover. It's been a big mover since the end of July, from 88 bucks all the way up to here. Similar to Apple, though, this one looks like it's too steep, so I'm going to fade it. Not that I dislike Lilly, but boy, at some point, got to take some profits.
Trade or fade it, Gina? Eli Lilly.
Yeah, fade it.
Fade it. See, I like that.
I'm not a fader. I take the other side of BK on this
Sold
one.
to you.
They get their animal health business, are spinning it off in the fourth quarter. It's a stock you stay long until they spin it off. Once they spin it off, you sell Lilly and you get long the animal health spin.
But why wouldn't you sell it now and wait till October?
Because there's no reason to. You're going to have momentum carry through this
It's gone
underweight
straight
sector.
up.
Everybody's under position here. Big cap pharma is on fire, and it's going to remain that way for a period of time.
Okay.
Right. Next up, Chipotle. David Seaburg, trade it or fade it?
So Chipotle's had a big move, and I'm going to trade it here. I mean, I'm a buyer here. I think that this stock can continue to move on momentum. New CEO, and the biggest reason why is hedge funds are crowding into this because consensus is they're going to keep doing well as far as earnings are concerned. Comps are super easy, so it's really a momentum carry here. It's a 2019 show-me story, but at least for the near term, I'd want to own the stock.
I just think I'm a fading in it. I think is that how we're playing it?
Selling it, you would sell it right now.
Yeah, I mean, listen, I think it is become a crowded trade. I think that the easy comps is important, but the valuation is really hard. So if they don't get to that comps, and it seems like every other week there's a new situation in one of their restaurants. So after the rally it's had off the lows, I just don't think you buy it here.
All right, Gina, Nordstrom, trade it or fade it?
Fade it. We think that Nordstrom is a bricks and mortar company that has finally got their digital game on. However, if you look at the sector, it's a high-flying sector, and it's losing momentum. So it's going to be a pretty big fish in a small pond soon.
What do you say, BK?
You know what? I'm a trade it. I don't need to trade it on Monday, but that's a pretty big breakout for Nordstrom. The story has changed a bit, or at least the story has gained momentum here. So I'm a buyer on a slight pullback. That's a trade, I think.
I'd trade it as well. I think that for the near term, at least, the momentum's going to carry. I think that, look, the fact is, again, underweight people are adding to these positions, and the consumer is super strong. Until that narrative shifts, I think you can own this for another quarter or two.
How about retail overall? We've had some pretty decent reports.
I think there was a lot of beta with a lot of these Nordstroms, Macy's. We saw some of them pull back. This one is obviously not. I think the XRT could be setting up for a massive double top.